DS diving here at Venetian Marina. Not Princess Dauphine, but Dauphine. I'm going to do a quick after cleaning video. This is M29. I would go to the back, put my hoses up here, so it's a lot easier to do this way. But you see the dolphins. She cleaned up alright. The zinc looks good. She was pretty slimy and took me a minute, but no complaints besides that. Let's go take a look. Dauphine 2, DS diving. Thank you very much. I'll break some holes for next time. I get this brown off the back, but I just used the rest of it that I had. Besides that, she's looking good. Thank you very much.